Hey guys, so muna siya ang sound sa DJI wireless mic, which I just got, this one here. So from the previous video, nag-ingon ko nga, I'm gonna talk about this microphone here. And yeah, I used to use the Rode Wireless Go. And they make good microphones, so musalig ko sa Rode Wireless Go. But lately, I've been using this one here. It's like cumbersome at the moment because kaning Rode Wireless Go 2, it records, ibutang mo sa kanang sa talent or sa taong gusto niya ba-record na, pwede siya onboard recording, and pwede siya mo transmit og audio sa imong camera because this is a wireless microphone. Also na siya option nga lain-laing channel, so duha ka transmitter mag-transmit both. Ang ako lang wala ganahan niya is if magkuha ka sa audio, kinahanglan ang magkuha ka sa recorded audio, kailangan kag app kaning usa atong ginagamit karon DJI wireless mic, wala siya app, mura siya USB, plug rin mo USB-C, makita ra nimo dito mga files, pwede rin mo download doon. So I've been using Rode for quite a while, and first impression akong lasting impression, it's really good. It's very good. It's handy and audio is good, but the thing is mo lang palit ka ning third party nga case, and then yeah. So I just got this smaller case instead of this big case, and right now kanang nagpalit sa gog kani siya kaning DJI mic, which is this. Wala siya sa sulod kina akong gigamit karon, but yeah, you can, if you wanna gusto makabaw more about the DJI mic or the Rode Wireless Go, na ay daghan kayong content sa YouTube about it. I'm just here to tell you, bottom line is I've tested it for a few bits, and first impression ako is dindot ang sound aning DJI mic, wireless mic, and then nindot siya gauge, nindot siya packaging, nindot siya build. I don't know unsa, but naa siya gamay lang nga something nga wala na ko ganahi ang katong ihang transmitter, na siya murag, ang receiver niya na ang ihang murag pang connect sa camera, ang ihang murag kanang hot shoe mount is not that strong. Also, you can check that out on other videos sa YouTube. So I'm not just gonna do that, but I'm just gonna recommend you guys, like, if you don't have an audio receiver, a wireless audio, takarong tabi, half awake mong good. And if you have a wireless, if you need a wireless microphone, I'd suggest get the DJI wireless mic. Say tawag ni DJI wireless mic pa. Well, suggest ako kani kuha kay nindot og case. Wala ko tulog kanina kay nakadlaw na ko trabaho yan dito ko ang masters ako. But anyway, explain gid ba. So kani siya kay nindot siya kay na siya case, and then nindot yang build. I don't know if the audio na siya part sa ihang receiver nga dili kayo nindot, but other than that, it's very good. This one here is the Rode Wireless Go. Wala siya dalang case lagi. And then kanang nindot ni siya pero mupalit lang kag case lagi, and there's some things ang ihana magkinahanglan kag mag-app para mag-copy ni, which I've said earlier. So yeah, ang ako lang ma-recommend is if you have the money and you don't care from the cost of these two, this costs more, so just get this one here. In heartbeat, I'll recommend this. But if you don't have the budget, if your budget's lower, so might as well get the Rode. Nakay option niya nga usa ra ka buok transmitter, kani siya duha ka transmitter, so duha siya ka buok murag microphone nga wireless, nya mo send siya sa usa ka receiver, kani siya duha sad, but nakay option niya nga usa ra ka transmitter imuha, and mas cheaper sad siya. So if you're after budget and works well, have this. If you're up for better looking, better usability is better, and pwede pa nimo ma-connect sa phone, na pa siya USB-C o kanang lightning connect sa phone, so pwede ka maka-charge og maka-charge, maka-storya sa kagamit sa phone. Duka na ko, nagahibag na ko, duka na ko gamay. Pasensya lang, ganahan lagi ko mag-video karon, but the thing is, ganahan ako mag-first impression sad, ganahan sad ko mag-blabber. Kaning video, 4 minutes na, dapat mo undang raw story. Mura na siya, basta akong suggest, if you can afford it, just get the DJI one. If you're on a budget and you need a wireless microphone, get the Rode one. Napay laghan uban ay na ang small rig ug kanang Godox pa to, basta naghan na kay ilag mga inana, but these are the big ones that are very good. And for me, I suggest DJI. Mura na siya. Ito ka, bitaw ko, wala ko ito gabi kay nakadlaw na ko trabaho, and then sayo na sa kong mata kay nagklase ko, masters na ko IT. So muna siya. Ganahan ko magtabi. 5 minutes na. Sige bay. Sige bay. Ito na. Ayaw na. Ganahan ko muyaw-yaw.